Welcome to today's video. I watched a video recently on YouTube where a man cooked a steak in a jar, and I thought I've got to give that a go. That looks so crazy. When I saw the chap do it, what he did, he used a cloth in the bottom. I guess that's to protect the glass jar from the direct flame. And he put the jar in it. And simply filled it up with water. I guess the idea is that when you've got a tight seal, oh, good job I checked, the water gets hot and this steams in its own juices. Oh, not happy about that. Just put the lid on. There's a lot of background noise today, so apologies for that. There we go. He's coming up to the boil. So what I'm going to do is put the simmer ring on and reduce him to maybe there, and just simmer him for 30 to 40 minutes. I needed to get the flame down because I don't want the pressure to build up inside that glass jar and risk it exploding. I just need it nice and gentle. That flame's calmed right down now, so we'll give him a bit of time and then come back and see how we're doing. Right, it's been about 45 minutes. The Pathfinder stove's still going. That's the great thing about the Pathfinder. it's got a massive capacity on it for fuel, so it will go on and on and on. Let's have a look, see what's happening. Doesn't look like anything's cracked or broken at all. Let's lift him out. Gosh. I think we'll call that done. We'll get him out, put him on the side and let him cool down for a bit. Just thought I'd show you how long the Pathfinder lasts with fuel. Now that's been going for an hour, and I'm hoping you can still see inside there. Just want to drag you across. He's still got fuel. I reckon he'll run for another 20 minutes yet. Let's take this little man out. And we'll just leave him to cool. Well, he's had 5 minutes, that should be sufficient. Let's take the lid off. Ooh. Oh, that was a satisfying sound. I'll just give you a bit of a closer look. And it smells amazing. Let's dish him up. But it's cooked beautifully. The spices have permeated through the whole of the steak. I think next time I'd have given it a bit longer, just to let it stew a bit more. If you've got any suggestions or tips on this method of cooking, feel free to leave a comment. Right, I'm going to finish my lunch. Thanks for watching, everybody. InfoZhed out.